Today, we've got something really interesting to talk about. 9 powerful strategies to get special attention. But hey, we're keeping it light and positive, no dark stuff here. So imagine you have this magic toolkit, and when you use these strategies, it's like waving a wand for special attention. Cool, right? Let's dive in. Number 9. Be a good listener. Imagine you're chatting with someone, and they're really paying attention to what you say. Feels nice, doesn't it? So, be that person who listens, asks questions, and shows genuine interest. Strategy number 8. Positive vibes only. People love hanging out with positive folks. So, bring those good vibes, share a smile, and spread positivity like confetti. Number 7. Help others. When you lend a helping hand, people notice. It's like being a superhero, but without the cape. So, be there for others, and you'll see that special attention come your way. Strategy number 6. Celebrate achievements. Whether it's big or small, celebrate your achievements and those of others. It creates a positive atmosphere and makes you stand out in a crowd. Next up is number 5. Show genuine interest. Ask questions about others, their interests, and really listen to what they have to say. It's like unlocking a secret code to connection and special attention. Moving on to strategy number 4. Be confident, not cocky. Confidence is attractive, but being too full of yourself? Not so much. So stand tall, believe in yourself, and let that confidence shine without overshadowing others. Moving on. Lucky number 3. Master the art of gratitude. Expressing thanks and appreciation is like a magnet for positive attention. Say thank you, show gratitude, and watch as people gravitate toward you. Number 2. Be genuine. Authenticity is key. Be yourself, because everyone else is already taken. When you're genuine, people connect with you on a deeper level, and that's when special attention comes naturally. Last but not least, strategy number 1. Share your passion. Whether it's a hobby, interest, or something you love, share it with enthusiasm. Passion is contagious, and when people see your excitement, they can't help but pay special attention. So there you have it. 9 positive strategies to get that special attention. Remember, it's all about spreading positivity, being genuine, and enjoying the journey. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which strategy you're excited to try first. Until next time, stay awesome.